Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I'd like to share with you an old build of the school bus. This kit was originally released in 1970, and then in 73 came out with a new box art, and then my particular kit I purchased in 1979. Sorry about that. 1979, and I didn't build it until mid-80s, I guess it was. But I always had a blast with this one. I always thought it was really cool. I remember when it came out, I was a little bit young, but I remember back in the day when this kit came out that, boy, I couldn't wait to go to school and ride a bus like this, you know. Of course, it wouldn't be a drag bus, but, you know. So, let me go ahead and pop the top off. This cover hasn't been off since the probably the early 90s. It's got a little bit of dust in there. I think I'll be able to pick it up here. I don't remember if it's at all. Okay, it had the drag thing on there. I think I can take this right off. Yes, there we go, guys. Well, here, let me pick the camera up for you. There is plastic under my fingers here where the windows are. The body itself is kind of basic, but still pretty cool. Double parachute in the back. I didn't put any decals on it, and unfortunately I can't seem to find the instructions, because I thought that would have been cool. Looks like it had two 426 Hemi in there to power it. A little bit of detail on the driver's seat. That's cool. This is the first time I'm seeing this kit this close up since, you know, whenever it was I put it in here. Wow, pretty crazy. And unfortunately, like the previous kit, I can't pick up and show you the bottom of it because it's wired down to the base. It looks kind of basic under there. I'm sure the lighting isn't showing it well, but I don't even see the wires holding it on. Huh, I wonder. Yeah, I don't want to mess with it, guys. But it's pretty neat. Big old air scoop coming along to hit both engines. Pretty crazy design. But this was one of those kits that I always wanted. That tire's a little loose. I'll fix that before I put it away. It's one of them kits I always wanted growing up, and when I finally got it, I couldn't believe it. It took me a couple of months before I decided to build it, because I was definitely intimidated by it in the beginning. But, you know, you get over that and just start putting them together. So that's it for the school bus, guys. If I can find a decent shot of the original cover that was released back in the 70s, I'll put that on right now. It was 1970. Yep. And they're still making it. I guess 2013 was the last time they released it. So it's a cool one. It's a fun build if you guys want something quick and easy. I think it was a Monogram kit. Pretty sure on that. So it's probably 1/24 scale. But that was a fun build. I enjoyed the heck out of that. A lot of great memories on that one. Alrighty, guys. That's just a quick little video for you guys. And I hope you're having a great day. And as always, I will see you on the next one. This is Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.